Third challenge accepted.
It is time for this. Why the fuck not? Oh shit. It's cold as fuck. My feet are freezing. So this is what's happening. This is instant regret right here. This is what's called instant regret. I'm going back inside. Fuck this. My feet are freezing. Run! Ah, shit, my eye! Oh, shit! Okay, I don't got the. Oh shit, strong wind! No! But my feet are freezing! I stepped in the water! Oh shit, they're frozen! Oh shit!